Imagine crafting a life where $38,500 floods your bank account every single month, all from just 20 minutes a day. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into the world of Etsy entrepreneurship, where ordinary individuals are turning their creative passions into extraordinary profits. But how exactly does one achieve such staggering success with minimal time investment? And what kind of products could possibly yield such high returns on a platform like Etsy? Well, join us as we unravel the mysteries, dissect the strategies, and uncover the blueprint to turning 20 minutes a day into a six-figure income. In a world where the hustle and grind often define success, the notion of earning a substantial income with minimal effort seems like a far-fetched dream. However, it is indeed possible to make an easy passive income of around $40,000 per month using Etsy, and that too just by dedicating 20 minutes of your day. At first, when you hear about someone making a boatload of cash with just a tiny bit of effort each day, it's natural to be skeptical. I mean, how is that even possible, right? But here's the thing. This isn't some fairy tale we're talking about. Believe it or not, people are really pulling in those big bucks, and the opportunities are endless. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, roll out of bed, and instead of facing a long day chained to a desk, you spend just a tiny chunk of your time playing with your creative projects. And then, like magic, your bank account starts bulging more and more with each passing month. Sounds like a fantasy? Well, it's a reality for those who have cracked the code of passive income on Etsy. Gone are the days when success meant sacrificing all your waking hours to work. Nope, we're living in an age where technology and a bit of creativity can open doors to some seriously sweet passive income opportunities. In a world where the traditional 9-to-5 feels like the only option for making ends meet, Etsy shines like a beacon of hope. So why Etsy? Well, it's more than just a marketplace. It's a platform where dreams come to life. Whether you're a master crafter, a digital artist, or just someone with a knack for spotting trends, Etsy welcomes you with open arms. It's a place where you can carve out your own path to financial stability, all while doing something you love. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. All you need is a bit of passion, a dash of creativity, and a willingness to learn as you go. First things first, let's talk about print on demand. This side hustle has taken the online marketplace by storm, and for good reason. The concept is simple. You create designs for products like t-shirts, tote bags, or even candles, and list them on Etsy. When a customer places an order, a manufacturer prints the design onto the product and ships it directly to the customer. Easy peasy, right? Now, when you first dip your toes into the Etsy waters, you'll be amazed by the sheer number of people already selling apparel. It's like diving into a sea of competition, and you'll know you need to find a way to stand out. So here's a tip for you. Candles are a relatively new and less saturated market, making them perfect for someone like you who's looking to make their mark. With less competition to contend with, you've got a real shot at carving out your own slice of success in the world of candle making. All right, let's dive a bit deep and break down the steps to making money on Etsy. Step 1. Finding your niche. The first order of business is finding your niche. Think of it as your corner of the market where you can carve out your own space and stand out from the crowd. Sure, there are plenty of sellers out there, but that doesn't mean there isn't room for you. Think outside the box. Look for untapped opportunities, explore different product categories, and don't be afraid to get creative. Step 2. Leveraging your skills. Next up, it's time to put your skills to work. Whether you're a master wordsmith, a design whiz, or a customer service guru, there's a place for you on Etsy. Leverage your existing skills to your advantage. Maybe you're great at crafting witty slogans or creating eye-catching designs. Whatever it is, use it to set yourself apart and leave a lasting impression on your customers. Step 3. Trial and error. Now, let's talk about the hardest part. Trial and error. Building a successful Etsy shop isn't an exact science, and it often involves a fair amount of trial and error. Experiment with different strategies, tweak your product listings, and don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working. Remember, it's all part of the process, and each failure brings you one step closer to success. Step 4. Investing in your business. As the saying goes, you've got to spend money to make money. While starting an Etsy shop won't break the bank, there are still some upfront costs to consider. From listing fees to marketing expenses, be prepared to invest in your business if you want to see it grow. Look for cost-effective solutions like borrowing a friend's Canva account or investing in tools that offer the most bang for your buck. But again, one thing to note is that this business model isn't expensive to maintain. Sure, there are fees involved. Etsy takes a cut of every sale. And there's a small listing fee, but it's nothing compared to the potential earnings. Step 5. Scaling your business. Once your Etsy shop is up and running, it's time to think about scaling your business. Sure, you could stick to the status quo and coast along, but where's the fun in that? Think about how you can take your shop to the next level. Maybe it's expanding your product line, reaching out to new customer segments, or exploring different sales channels. The sky's the limit, so don't be afraid to dream big and take risks. And speaking of trends, learn to tap into hyper-specific groups. Think hockey moms, new parents who hate dirty diapers, bridal parties. You get the idea. By catering to these niche markets, you'll be able to maximize your reach and appeal to a wide range of customers. Step 6. Balancing passion with profit. Last but not least, let's talk about the delicate balance between passion and profit. Building a successful Etsy shop isn't just about making money. It's about pursuing your passion and doing what you love. Sure, there will be sacrifices along the way, but don't lose sight of what truly matters. Prioritize your time, energy, and resources in a way that allows you to live life on your own terms. But here's the best part. You don't have to work every day to make this business successful. In fact, you can make it passive all year round if you want to. You might not make quite as much, but the freedom and flexibility it affords are priceless. Now, you can also expand your business further by considering producing your own print-on-demand YouTube videos, leveraging your expertise in tutoring. It's a big step, and it'll definitely eat into your free time, but hey, that's the beauty of being your own boss. At the end of the day, it's all about finding the balance that works for you. Sure, there's value in making money, but there's also value in time and flexibility. And if there's one thing you'll learn on this journey, it's that chasing your passions and living life on your own terms is worth its weight in gold. So there you have it, guys. This is a journey filled with ups and downs, but anything is possible with the right mindset and a little bit of elbow grease. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and start turning your dreams into reality. Now, are you ready to take the leap and turn your creative passions into a thriving business? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content like this. See you next time.